Sayla, what does the A say?
A.
What does the B say?
B.
What does the C say? What does the D say?
D.
What does the E say?
F.
Good girl. What does F say? What does the G say?
G.
Good. What does the H say? And what does the L say? What does L say? Yeah. Hi, Puppet. What does the L say? Oh. What about the M? N. L. What does the O say? What does the O say? Ah, good girl. What does the P say? What does the Q say? Good girl. What does the R say? What about the S? What about the T? What about the U? No, U says What about W? W. What about the V? Good girl. Okay, how about two more? How about the Y? Close. Yes. And the Z says? Oh, be nice. Sayla, say thank you very much. Say thank you. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Look at.